I'm not depressed because I miss Catherine.
Then why have you been all...
I miss her pet, Bunny.
Her pet?
Mm-hmm. Cutest little creature you ever saw. Used to sit on my lap, hop around the apartment. Such a silly... I'll never see that little fur ball ever again.
So, the lady? You don't miss her at all?
Oh, no, she had sores on her neck.
Oh.
Knock, knock, he's coming! Hurry. Okay. Okay, Bunny. Don't move.
Well, my goodness. You've scampered far from home, haven't you?
Hey, Sikowitz.
Hello.
So, what you got there?
Well, I found this little rabbit just wandering about.
Aw, how cute.
Isn't she?
So, why don't you take her home?
Oh, I'm not into rabbits.
But you've been depressed for days because you miss your ex-girlfriend's Bunny.
Well, yes, but... Oh, you thought Bunny was a rabbit.
Well, yeah.
No. Bunny's a cat.
A cat?
Yes. The woman I was dating named her cat Bunny after her Aunt Bunny, who's dead.
But you told me it hopped all around.
Yes. She only had 3 legs. Poor kitty.
He loved her cat.
Very much. But I'll get over it. Well, back to the wilderness you go.
Okay, so here's the new plan.
No stress, no.